of feeding 9 billion people. If we continue with current consumption trends, we would need to produce 60% more food at a global scale. So we're faced with two options. Option 1, put tremendous strain on the planet's natural resources. Option 2, resolve inefficiencies in the food system. So how do we make consumption more sustainable? We noticed that the typical flow of information about food is vertical and limited. You'll hear about what food to buy from advertising campaigns. All this lack of information is affecting how people make decisions and is making our food system highly inefficient. To get a sense for an alternative to this top-down flow of information, we thought we should take a look at social insects. What if we could adapt their behavior to our own in order to improve distribution and consumption of food in human societies? For example, no ant tells another what to do. Instead, ants use one-on-one interaction and pheromone trails that slightly alter the probability that another ant will act a certain way. So we're looking at horizontal communication that makes small changes on a very local scale. But when you add up all those small behavioral changes, you get a colony that functions with extremely fine-tuned efficiency. Time and energy spent on foraging are minimized. This is often referred to as an emergent property of ant behavior. Simple individual actions lead to better collective decisions about how the colony finds food, based on the quality, reliability, and availability of resources. With Slant, we want to borrow from the social insects and create a platform that allows you to make decisions based on the decisions of those around you, whether you're a consumer, a producer, or a seller. The idea is for people to find food in all kinds of places: a corner store, a food market, the mango tree laden with fruit 2 blocks from where you live. If you want to sell a food item, you can open Slant and upload information about your product. It will send a signal to the environment to attract consumers, much like a flower attracts bees. When you want to purchase a food item, you can open Slant and tell it what kind of purchase you're looking to make. Slant will show you a map with the best food resources near you, based on all the information tracked by the system since your food was produced and the information given by other consumers. When you buy food, you can let the app know. Where did you buy it? Was it high quality? Was the price fair? Was it sustainably produced? The food source gets marked with something like a pheromone, a temporary geo-referenced signal. When you search for the food you want to buy, our algorithm will use all this information to give you the optimum food choice, the most convenient for you and the most efficient for the entire system.